Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Friday, September the 2nd. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, global equity markets were mixed overnight. Wall Street rallying late in the session to finish higher. The S&P 500 snapping a 4-session losing streak, while the Dow also lifted and the Nasdaq ended flat. Stocks were initially sold off on more evidence of a strong labour market, reinforcing the likelihood of more aggressive rate hikes ahead. Defensive stocks led the gains, with healthcare and utility sectors higher. Weighing on the tech sector were chipmakers, led by further sell-off in Nvidia shares and advanced micro devices after the US imposed an export ban on some chips to China. Broadcom initially rose and then fell after fourth quarter revenue came in above estimates. And shares in Lululemon surged in extended trading after it raised its annual profit and revenue forecast as demand for its athletic wear holds up. Well, the number of Americans claiming unemployment benefits fell to a 2-month low last week to 232,000, which was below forecasts. However, the ongoing demand for workers has been revealed in an ISM survey that showed a sharp rebound in manufacturing employment in August after 3 straight months of contraction. And the manufacturing PMI, unchanged last month, comfortably above 50, which indicates that the sector is growing. US Treasury yields continue to climb ahead of the key non-farm payrolls report tonight, which is expected to show strong jobs growth. The 10-year yield rising to 3.26% and the 2-year sitting above 3.5%. And the US dollar index is at a 20-year high, which has pushed most major currencies lower. The Aussie currently at 68.3 US cents. Well, the Australian share market is poised to open higher this morning. ASX futures mirroring Wall Street and reversing direction late in the session to be up around 1/3%. Oil prices have continued to tumble. Brent crude falling more than 3% to close at $92 a barrel in response to new COVID restrictions in China, which have added to concerns of higher inflation and rising interest rates, which are curbing fuel demand. And the lockdown in the Chinese city of Chengdu has heightened expectations that China's zero COVID policy will continue to erode economic growth. Such concerns have sent iron ore futures plummeting 8% to $96 a tonne. Base metals are also down, tin off more than 7%, copper down at 2.5%, and the gold futures price has fallen 1%. The crypto market, though, is relatively flat, with Bitcoin hanging on just above $20,000. In company news out this morning, James Hardie has appointed a new chief executive to take over from Jack Truong, who was sacked in January. Aaron Erter will step into the role effective immediately. That is your day ahead. We'll see you again on Monday.